Hello everyone, welcome to this new series on repertory and study of mental rubrics. So we'll be studying various mental rubrics from the Kent's Materia Medica, and we will be taking group of rubrics which are similar and then also differentiating these different rubrics. So let's begin with our first rubric, which is absent-minded. So, absent-minded means someone who is absent-minded, often forgets things or does not pay attention to what is happening near him because they are thinking about other things. So, typically what we will see in such patients is that they will tell us, or their attendants will tell us, that even though he is sitting with us, he is talking with us, suddenly he will tell us that he is not here. He does not know what we were talking. He is not aware of who came in, who went out, that there was tea served in between. He completely seems to be unaware of the occurrences in the surroundings, or even the objects or things that are there in the surroundings. His attention, what basically happens in absent-minded is his attention to the present situation is very less. The patient seems to be lost in his own thoughts, in his own feelings, in his own emotions, completely lost in them. And in absent-minded, generally when we ask the patient what happened, why you do not recognize what was going on over here, they will tell you that, no, I was just lost in something. What something? No, I don't know, something. And actually they are not actually focused on any particular thing. They are just lost in variety of thoughts, and they are not focused or engrossed into something, or into one thing, or one situation, or one feeling, or one emotion. They seem to be more scattered. I'm not thinking of anything. It's many things, not any specific thing. So that is absorbed. That is absent-minded. And Kent gives us 3 remedies for absent-minded. 3 principal remedies for absent-minded are alumina, zincum metallicum, and medorrhina. So in alumina, what you will see is that the patient tells you that I am very slow. I have become, I'm not able to grasp things. I'm not able to understand what is happening in the surrounding. My ability to grasp is very slow. This slowness is alumina. And sometimes their mind goes so slow that when you ask them, what happened to you? I don't know. Okay, what is your name? Shrikant. So you see, there is very slow response. He cannot even remember his own name. That is what is alumina. They cannot remember they seem to forget their own feelings, or their own thoughts, or their own identity even. So when I say that they are not focused on any particular thing, absent-minded means not focused on any particular thing, means alumina is so lost by the opinions of so many people that he is not even now aware of his own thoughts, or his own feelings, or even his own name, or even his own choice, what he wants, what he craves, what he desires. Therefore, the main symptom of alumina is confusion of identity. in these thoughts, I am so lost that I am not able to identify what I want, who I am. That itself is gone. That is alumina. So some other symptoms of alumina is I feel like a robot, like I am doing something that others are telling me. I'm just doing whatever is told to me. I per se don't know what to do. I per se am not aware of my own feelings. That is alumina. The next remedy in absent-minded is zincum metallicum. Zincum metallicum again feels that he is not able to understand or comprehend things because his mind has got tired, because there is exhaustion. It is a remedy for brain fag. When you have studied for very long duration of time for a very highly competitive exam. So you are, for example, giving an entrance exam for MPSC or any very highly competitive exam, CA, chartered accountant, etc. So I have been studying for 10 hours, 12 hours a day, every day for the last 1 year. So because of this long continued exertion, and especially in the last 3-4 months, I was studying for 16, 17, 18, even 20 hours. Too much of exertion, too much of workload, and I am getting exhausted. And because of that exhaustion, now my mind has stopped functioning. Now I am not able to comprehend things, understand things. My mind cannot focus anymore. It's lost. And along with this, in zincum, you'll see fidgety in feet, restless legs. There is, there is a lot of restlessness. That even though my body is, or my mind has completely got exhausted, but still there is no sense of calming down, of peace, of settling down. Still my mind feels very restless, active, tuck, 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 tuck. It's constantly going on, constant. This word constant is very important in zincum metallicum, that even though now my mind has got completely exhausted, I am not feeling at peace. My legs or my body or my mind is still very restless. That is zincum metallicum. The last remedy is medorinum. In medorinum, what you find is that the patient is again lost, because the rubric that we are studying is absent-minded, is lost in his thoughts. And this is because of excitement. In medorinum, what you see is that the patient initially is very excited, very enthusiastic about things, and even to the extremes he gets excited. So for example, if he is having a party, if he has gone to a friend's place, so he will really enjoy that party. He will drink lots of alcohol. He will do everything in the extreme. Like, he'll not drink 1 peg, 2 peg. He'll drink the whole bottle. He'll drink 2 or 3 bottles. And that will completely get him out. That will completely spoil his health. And then he feels, now I am completely incapable. Now I don't know what to do. Now I cannot do anything. Now my mind is lost. I can't even answer your question. What are you asking? After drinking, how you feel? Your mind is not working. It's in that intoxication. So in that intoxication, you can't hear people's question. Or even if you're trying to say something, in between saying something, you lose your concentration. You lose the thread of the conversation. That is the symptom of medorinum. That this patient, you'll see, he will talk very slowly. So he will say, I have stomach pain, and this stomach pain. So slow, very slow. And in between this slowness also he will forget. He'll give you even more longer pauses. Okay. So you'll feel this is very slow and lost. That is why alumina, medorinum are also compared with Helleborus, which is one of the topmost remedy for slowness of senses. But in Helleborus, actually the senses have got slowed. Means the patient is not able to sense changes. He is not able to even understand what is happening to him. I am having a problem. What problem? I don't know, but I feel, something is very, very gravely wrong with me. Maybe I will also die. I think some big problem. But what problem? So they are not able to comprehend what their symptoms are. What is happening to me? I am not able to comprehend. So that is why Helleborus is senses. Your sensibility of seeing what is happening to you is lost. That is Helleborus. So that was about absent-minded. I hope this understanding helps you all. I look forward to sharing more videos and your comments and likes. Thank you so much.